this is Luke with Real Property Management. I talk to plenty of landlords that are looking to save money and they decide that they want to self-manage their property. But are they really saving money by self-managing your rental property? Self-managing often means late night maintenance calls, advertising vacancies, screening tenants, staying up to date on landlord-tenant law, and handling collecting rent and disputes. One mistake, like placing the wrong tenant or mishandling a legal notice, can cost thousands of dollars. Here at Real Property Management Seacoast, we handle everything from marketing and tenant screening to maintenance coordination and ultimately compliance. Our system is designed to reduce vacancy, protect your property, and free up your time. For many owners, professional property management isn't an expense. It's simply an investment in peace of mind and long-term returns. Thanks for taking time to watch this video. Feel free to reach out to us at rpmseacoastnh.com or our phone number at 603-343